You are perfect. Just like this.
You just healed my hand with an arepa con queso.
Arepas.
Add the cornmeal and a pinch of salt to a bowl. Add the melted butter and mix. Add water little by little, mixing after each time so the dough gradually rehydrates. When it becomes harder to mix with a spoon, start using your hands. The mixing should take about 2 minutes. Add the feta and mozzarella and mix. We used mozzarella, but to give more taste, we recommend using a sharp cheddar instead. To check if your dough is hydrated enough, form a ball and gently press your fingers into it. If there are noticeable cracks along the outside of your fingerprints, add a little more water to the dough. If the dough has too much liquid, add more flour. Cover and let rest for at least 5 minutes. Form 2-inch balls and press them flat to make discs that are about 3 inches long and a 1/4 inch thick. Add oil to a hot pan on medium. Carefully add your arepas. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes until they are golden. These won't heal your hand, but they sure are tasty. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and write us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.